Greetings from Newredmars Education. Today we discuss about type of research and its example. There are various established methods used in research to investigate a problem or research in question. It plays a vital role for the researchers to prove the hypothesis based on clearly defined parameters, environments and assumptions. Understanding and having a deep knowledge about the types of research can help the researchers to better plan the project by utilizing the most appropriate methodologies and techniques. Types of research: applied research, basic research, correlational research, descriptive research, ethnographic research, experimental research, exploratory research, grounded theory, historical research, phenomenological research, qualitative research, quantitative research, applied research. It is a scientific study that seeks to solve various practical problems in the day-to-day life. It finds answers or solutions to everyday problems, cure illness, develop innovative technologies, etc. For example, improve agricultural crop production, treat or cure specific disease, improve energy efficiency of homes, offices, modes of transportation. 1, 2. Basic research. It is called as fundamental or pure research. It expands the person's knowledge. This type of research is not going to create or invent anything new. Instead, it is based on basic science investigation. For example, how did universe begin? What are protons? Correlational research. The relationship among two or more variables without necessarily determining the cause and effect is known as correlational research. For example, correlation between obesity and diabetes mellitus. Correlation between smoking and cancer. Advantages: it is easy to collect much information from many subjects at single time. Wide range of variables and their interrelations. Study variables are not easily produced in the laboratory. Disadvantages: does not indicate causation, cause and effect. Problems with self-reporting method. Descriptive research. This type of research provides accurate portrayal of characteristics of a particular individual, situation or group. Also known as statistical research. It deals with everything that can be counted and studied which have an impact on the lives of people. Advantages: less expensive, time-consuming. Collect a large amount of notes for detailed studying. Disadvantages: require more skills. Does not identify cause behind the research. Ethnographic research. This type of research involves investigation of a culture through an in-depth study of members of culture. It involves systematic collection, description, analysis of data for development of theories of cultural behavior. There are anthropological studies that studies people, ethnic group, ethnic formations and social welfare characteristics. It is done on the basis of observations, interviews, questionnaire and data collection. Experimental research. This study involves objective, systematic, controlled investigation for purpose of predicting and controlling the phenomena. It also includes examining the probability and causality among variables. Advantages: best in establishing the cause and effect relationships. Disadvantages: artificiality, feasibility, unethical. Variables: there will be two variables, dependent and independent. Exploratory research. This type of research will be conducted for a problem that has not been clearly defined. It helps to determine the best research design, data collection method and selection of subjects. It is quite informal, relying on the secondary research. For example, online marketing and exploring through different sites. Ground theory research. It studies about the problems existing in a given social environment and how people involved handles them. It operates almost in a reverse fashion from traditional research and involves 4 stages: codes, concepts, categories and theory. For example, creating a situation and looking at how people react to it. Historical research. Research involving analysis of events that occurred in the remote or recent past. Application. Understanding this can add perspective on how we can examine the current situation. Phenomenological research. It aimed to describe an experience that has been actually lived by a person. For example, a person suffering from cancer, quality of life of the patient at that point of time. Quantitative research. Involving numbers and quantifying the results mathematically in numbers. Qualitative research. Difficult or impossible to quantify mathematically, such as beliefs, meanings, attributes and symbols. It aimed to gather an in-depth understanding of human behavior. If you want to watch this type of video, please subscribe our channel.